for all the creatures of the deep. I've been to the briny deep and back.
How long did it take you to get to the bottom?
30 seconds.
He snatched your butt right on down, didn't he?
Gone.
That's right. Then you looked up and you was how deep?
Too deep.
Too deep. And what'd you say to yourself?
Oh shit.
This is surreal.
This is surreal. It was freaky.
It was freaky.
But it was great. Enjoyed it.
There we
Thoroughly
go.
enjoyed it.
That's right. And Kathy, can you do the chocolate?
I can do the chocolate, man. I can teach the chocolate.
There we go. They were teaching, they had dancing lessons down there this morning.
Yeah, they were doing it on the beach.
I saw them.
Chocolate.
And Meg, how was your dive?
My dives were great. I had a private dive. I saw a bunch of fan coral, fan coral.
And what was you showing on your dive?
Because I had my wetsuit on.
I see. How's the foot?
Hurts like hell. All banged up again, like I used to on vacation.
There we go. But it's good to be able to be banged up.
Yeah, great.
Are you getting me?
I went for my advanced certification, but I get to get enough dives.
The ACMD.
You ain't like it.
Woo! You need to keep a logbook.
Nobody out there for me, so I don't think thing.
Nah, you don't need to do that.
This is the life.
You're working it too hard.
I know it. I got to use